The Tinius Olsen Tensile Tester machine is designed to test a wide range of materials. In this lab, however, we will only focus on testing mild carbon specimens in tension. After preparing your specimen with a standardized 2-inch gauge punch, make sure you have the laptop with the Horizon USB key and the USB cord that connects the laptop to the machine. On the right side of the machine, connect the cable into the port. Connect the other side of the cable into the laptop. The power for the machine can be accessed on the left electrical box behind the machine. Unlock the electrical box lock with the keys provided and push the black lever up to turn on the power. It should make a loud noise. On the left side of the machine, turn the dial clockwise to turn the machine on. Open the Horizon software on the laptop. It may take a while. The first thing to do before testing any specimen is to make sure the machine is not in demonstration mode. To check if the machine is in demonstration mode, click Tab Options and look over to see that the demonstration mode box is unchecked. If it is unchecked, you are not in demonstration mode and you should be good to go. On the bottom side of the software, there should be a specimen bar. In this bar, you need to input the group name, the initial specimen diameter, and the program you're currently in. The next step is to put the specimen into the top stationary head. However, if there's no room to insert the specimen, you can jog the top stationary head upwards using the TOV MC controls on the left side of the screen. Thread the specimen into the top stationary head. It is okay if a bit of thread is left over, as sometimes when the specimen fractures, it can get stuck in either head. By having the thread visible, we can easily unthread the specimen and restart the test. Using the TOV MC controls, lower the top stationary head. By lowering the top stationary head, we want to make sure that the specimen does not hit the bottom stationary head, as it can cause damage to the machine or the specimen. We just want it as close enough so that we can thread the bottom head onto the specimen. Grab the extensometer from the armature of the machine and open it by pushing down on its screws. Place the gripper arms around the specimen and be mindful of the blades on the instrument. We do not want to cause dulling of the blades, as they will need to be replaced and will give us incorrect data. Once the extensometer is on the specimen, do not move it. Gently remove the pin from the extensometer and let it hang down. Now we need to make sure the machine is zeroed. To do so, press these 3 buttons on the TOV MC control panel on the left side of the screen. This ensures that the position the machine is currently at is its starting position. Now we are ready to start the test. Hit play on the specimen bar. The machine status will say segment 1. This is the segment where the machine is getting rid of any slack, and it may take a while. Once the machine has fully removed the slack, it will slowly build up force. The machine will start to graph on the graph in front of you. The machine will stop itself before entering the next phase, and will prompt you with
Remove instrument.
Before doing anything, we need to remove the extensometer from the specimen. Replace the pin inside the extensometer and put it back on the armature on the machine. Once the extensometer is safely put away, hit spacebar and the machine will continue to move upwards until specimen failure. After the specimen reaches failure, do not control the software whatsoever. Simply go over to the specimen and dismount it from the bottom head and the top head. The software will ask to return the crosshead of the machine. Click Yes after dismounting the specimen. Now input the final calculated gauge number, which is the new distance measured on the specimen, and the final diameter result before accepting the test. Once the test is accepted in the specimen bar, give you a pop-up to save the file. The file will always be saved in the last directory other files have been saved, and can be changed at any time by simply saving into a different folder. Another method to save the final test results is to hover over the Print button, click Single Report, and selected specimen. A Microsoft Print to PDF pop-up will appear. Simply press OK, and then save your file to wherever you choose. You have successfully completed the Tensile Testing Lab. For more information or information on troubleshooting, please refer to the training manual that will be provided with this video.